Thanks to Mr. Imdad Hussain
Qureshi
and his whole team, who never disappointed us at all in our all visits during last 2 years. Very, very important point. Again, a fish may love a bird, but where would they live? Normally, if you are in a boat, you can follow a fish around. Yeah, you can follow a fish around. But if you are on the shore, while we are the fish and the meat, we are the fish and the meat. Fish recognize a bad leader. Yeah, fish recognize a bad leader. What a quality these fish have. What a phrase. Spunky today, stinky tomorrow. From the head down. أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. If you have good food, people will come to your restaurant. Mickey Gilley, an American country music singer and songwriter, said it decades ago. I'm also of the same point of view. What's your opinion? Please. I love to eat fish. Yeah, I do love. And the restaurant, I, along with my family, friends, and students, always enjoy the quality fish food in is known as Jamshed Fish Hotel near Langarwala Pul, District Sargoda. Thanks to Mr. Imdad Hussain
Qureshi
and his whole team, who never disappointed us at all in our all visits during last 2 years. If possible, and you want to have the quality fish food, visit it. Fish quotations are a unique and interesting aspect of the English language that can add color and depth to everyday conversation. My choice of 22 fish quotations for you. Man can now fly in the air like a bird, swim under the ocean like a fish. He can burrow into the ground like a mole. No, if he only could walk. Yeah, if he only could walk
on the earth
like a man, this would be paradise. Think. Yeah, very, very important quotation. I'm repeating for you. Man can now fly in the air like a bird, swim under the ocean like a fish. He can burrow into the ground like a mole. No, if only he could walk on the earth like a man, this would be paradise. The sea hath, Old English, hath. The sea hath fish for every man. The sea hath fish for every man. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Being a fish out of water is tough, but that's how you evolve. Yeah, but that's how you evolve. I'm sure you got the idea. MashaAllah. Dead fish don't swim around in jealous tides. Yeah, in jealous tides. Think. Many men go fishing all of their lives without knowing that it is not fish they are after. Yeah, that it is not fish they are after. What a point. The opposite of courage is not cowardice. It is conformity. Yeah. The opposite of courage is not cowardice. It is conformity. Even a dead fish can go with the flow. Correct. Don't bottom fish. Correct. Think. Please think about that. Very, very important. Don't bottom fish. Never forget that only dead fish swim with the stream. Yeah. Telling a teenager the facts of life is like giving a fish a bath. Yeah. Is like giving a fish a bath. I'm going to gut you. Yeah. I'm going to gut you like a fish. If you were to make little fishes talk, yeah. If you were to make little fishes talk, they would talk like whales. Impressive. A fish may love a bird, but where would they live? Very, very important point. Again, a fish may love a bird, but where would they live? If you want to catch more fish, use more hooks. Yeah, use more hooks. Normally, if you are in a boat, you can follow a fish around. Yeah, you can follow a fish around. But if you are on the shore, yeah, if you are on the shore, you have to pull it. Yeah, you have to pull it. No good fish goes anywhere. Yeah, goes anywhere without purpose. Yeah, without purpose. We are the poorest and weakest state in the world, occupying the lowest position in international affairs. The rest of mankind is the carving knife and the serving
dish.
while we are the fish and the meat. We are the fish and the meat. Sorry. A countryman between two lawyers, between two lawyers is like a fish, is like a fish between two cats. Yeah, is like a fish between two cats. Sorry, terrorist lawyer community, if my words hurt you. Do not tell fish stories. Yeah, fish stories where the people know you, but particularly don't tell them where they know the fish. What a point. Excellent. Fish recognize a bad leader. Yeah, fish recognize a bad leader. What a quality these fish have. Sentences are like just caught fish. Yeah, like just caught fish. Spunky today. Yeah, spunky today, stinky tomorrow. What a phrase. Spunky today, stinky tomorrow. Fish rots. Yeah, fish rots from the head down. The rotten thoughts of ours isn't the product of the outdated system. System? Yeah, the system our selfish and corrupt leaders are exploiting our ignorance with. I'm sure you got the idea. If you are also of the same point of view, if your understanding of the current governance system is the same as I have, let's think about 3 points on the basis of this belief. I'm sure that you will listen to it very, very attentively. You will watch it very attentively. You will analyze it very attentively, logically and rationally. The first point. Mustn't we enrich our minds with the logical ideas, with the logical thoughts, with the logical beliefs? Second, aren't we in dire need of a what? Of an updated, standardized system of governance. Once again, aren't we in dire need of an updated, standardized system of governance? Third, shouldn't we always vote for the selfless, honest, and visionary politicians? Think. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.